Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjun Nersu and I'm sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers, if you are looking for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow or Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, you can check the timelines timestamp in the description below. If you are looking for the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow or Nifty options for tomorrow, you can check the same in the timestamp. Otherwise you can watch the whole video, and I request you to please click on the like button of this video and share this video to your friends and family members and well-wishers if you feel this video has some value. And I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe for to get the notifications when I post the updates, for to know the which bank nifty levels or nifty levels has to trade tomorrow. Okay, so thanks for understanding. Now let's jump into the market analysis for today. So today, that is of 24th March 2021, Nifty 50 has fallen 265 points, which is a 1.79%, and has ended at 14,549 points. Nifty Bank has lost 891 points, which is of 2.61%, and has ended at 33,293 points. Nifty Next 50 has lost 522 points. Nifty Midcap has lost 168 points. Nifty Financial Services has lost 339 points, which is of 2.13%, and has ended at 15,603 points. 604 points. If you see the decline advances and declines under the Nifty 50, there are 3 advances and 47 declines under the Nifty 50 today. If you see the top 5 losses and top 5 gainers and the top 5 losses under Nifty 50, so there are only 3 gainers under Nifty 50 today. Cipla has gained 1.82%, Asian Paint has gained 1.36%, Power Grid has gained 0.94%. If you see the top 5 losers under Nifty 50 are Tata Steel has lost 4.68%, Tata Motors has lost 4.15%, Adani Ports has lost 4.03%, Hindalco has lost 3.77%, M&M has lost 3.75%. So now these are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 24th March 2021. Now let us see who has majorly contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, that is of 24th March 2021. So today Bank Nifty has lost nearly 880 points, 890 points. Out of that, ICICI Bank has contributed 242 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. HDFC Bank has contributed 165 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 119 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. SBI has contributed 90 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, and Kotak Bank has contributed 84 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Majorly, these 5 banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. I always said in every video, I always say to you, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank are the major 2 banks who are contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty or upside of moment of the Bank Nifty on that particular trading day. So today these 2 banks has majorly contributed nearly 380 points, 390 points for the total downfall of the Bank Nifty out of 800 points today. Okay, so if you are unsure about the Bank Nifty direction, Bank Nifty trend, you can check the trend of ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank trend, and accordingly you can take the trade on Bank Nifty on that time. Okay, if you see these 2 banks are getting fell down, Bank Nifty will fall down. If you see that these 2 banks are skyrocket up, Bank Nifty will also go on uptrend. Okay, this is for your information, for your knowledge. Hope you guys understand this point, and this is a very crucial point for to trade in the Bank Nifty. These minute points has to understand every time. Okay, now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's date, that is of 24th March 2021. So yesterday Nifty was closed at 14807 points, and I have given the sell call at 14750 and 14730, 725. So Nifty was opened at 14712 and it bounced back up to 14751 and reverse to 14721. Let us assume we have taken the sell call at 14725 and for the targets of 14700, 14680, and as I said, from 14600 the Nifty will go up from here. See, from the exact moment, exact position, Nifty 50 has again changes its trend and went back to the positive mode, and again the Nifty is not able to sustain around 14600 play above, and it again fell down here. Okay, there is a sideways for some time and then fell down here in the last few minutes. Okay, and we made a low of 14535. Hope you guys book some profit from 14725 to 14535. Let us assume you have book your profit at 14600 or 14570. Hope you guys book your profit of almost 150 plus points in our view of Nifty 50 for today. Okay, hope you guys book your profit. If you have booked your profit, please let me know in the comment section. It will boost me up to make some more videos to share this knowledge to many more members, and I request you to please share this video to friends and family members and well wishers, those who it will be helpful for them also. Now let me share the results of the given news yesterday for today's trade for the Bank Nifty. So yesterday Bank Nifty was closed at 34210 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 33,894. I have given the sell call at 33,770, 850, like that, 33,850. So let us assume we have taken the sell call here 33,850, and we made a low of, initially we made a low of 33,400, and as I said, from 33,400 the Bank Nifty is try to go up again, and which is a, it tries to change its direction, but the Bank Nifty is not able to sustain in the positive market, which is of 33,700 or 33,600, and again it fell down and made a low of 33,205, which is a major crucial point. So from 33,880, from 33,880 to 33,200, so almost 600 plus points. Hope you guys book your profit here. These 600 points here, let us assume if you have booked at least 400 points, 300 points, 500 points, let us assume you have booked, at least you are in green. Those who are following me, those are in green. Thanks for them. Thank you. If you have make some profit, I request you to please mention, comment below that you have made some profit today from my view, so that it will be give the boost for me to make some more videos daily, for to give the knowledge, for to share the knowledge to you, which is helpful, I feel. If you feel like that, please mention the same in the comment. Okay, and I request you to don't trade on hope, because one of my friend, he has exited, that he got the news today the Nifty or Bank Nifty will go on the positive mode. He has taken the put yesterday, but he got the news somewhere, and that he thought, he hoped that Bank Nifty or Nifty will go on the positive mode and he will not able to make a profit. Hence, he closed his trade with a loss. Of course, to close with a loss is a positive thumb, uh, he dares to book the loss. Thumbs for them, thumbs for that. But always I request you, don't trade on hope. Okay, trade on the levels, trade on the technicals. Okay, for me, I will not believe in the news because the news will come only after the technicals arrive there. Okay, so I always depend on the technical analysis. Hope you understand that. Okay, so thanks for understanding. I always say, don't trade on hope, trade on analysis, trade on levels. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. Now let me share the Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today Nifty 50 was closed at 14,564 points. If Nifty 50 has opened tomorrow above this and go into the positive mode, if it is on uptrend, so our buy call will be activated at 14,605 for the Nifty 50. So our buy call will be activated at 14,605 for the Nifty target of 14,630, for the Nifty target of 14,640, for the Nifty target of 14,690, 14,730, 14,765, 14,800, 14,860. So these are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. Why I have given this less targets here? Because from 14,600 to 14,650 there may be a chance of getting reversal between this. So you should be very active from till 14,700. There may be a chance of getting reversal from here. So you should be very active here. Once it crosses, it goes up to 14,800. From 14,800, once 14,800 crosses, it may be a chance, there may be a chance of going upside uptrend here. So till 14,600, 14,700, you should be very active in the trade. And I always request you to please make a stop loss order for every trade which you are doing. And if the Nifty 50 has goes on the downtrend tomorrow, our sell call will be activated at 14,526 for the Nifty target of 14,493, for the Nifty target of 14,450, 14,430, 14,400, 14,350, 14,300, 14,250. So these are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. So here from 14,400 there may be a chance of getting reversal. From here the Nifty 50 may change its trend to uptrend from 14,400. So you should be very careful here. If you want to book 30-40 points, you can take the profit and exit. If you want a big profit, big target, you can put the trend, you can follow the trend. Okay, and I always request you to please stick to the levels which was given by me, because I am giving the analysis, I am giving the Nifty levels based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, now let me share the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow with Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 33,370. So our buy call under the Bank Nifty tomorrow. So our Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis would be our buy call will be activated at 33,485 for the target of 33,560, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,610, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,740, 33,790, 33,860, 33,930 for the Bank Nifty target of 34,000, for the Bank Nifty target of 34,050, 34,170, and the final bank nifty target of 34,310. Okay, these are the bank nifty tomorrow prediction, bank nifty analysis. So these are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow. Okay, hope you guys noted on these levels. If you are not noted on these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again and note down these levels, and be strict to the levels which was given in the video, because everything depends on the technicals, not on any assumptions, not on any hopes. Okay, so if the bank nifty goes on downtrend tomorrow also, so our sell call for the bank nifty will be activated at 33,130 for the bank nifty target of 32,960, 32,830, 32,690, 32,480, 32,230, 32,040, 31,830, 31,570, 31,280. So these are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow for the downtrend of the bank nifty. So here from 32,700, 32,730, there may be a chance of changes its direction to uptrend. So you should be very active here. Once it causes this 31,800, it may be, there may be a higher chance of going up to here into the downtrend again. So here still, just a minute, sorry. See this gap is already filled here. So now if tomorrow also the bank nifty will opens below this 33,140, 150, so the downtrend will continue up to here, let us assume, and it may go up to the final 29,700. We'll see in short period the downtrend continues. For to be the upside of the moment, you should be very careful here. So the bank nifty has to cross this level from 33,600 has to cross first, and from the 33,600, once it crosses, this has to be 33,800 has to cross. So 33,600 to 33,800, then maybe sideways, and then from 33,800, once it 33,800 crosses, it may go up to 34,000 and 34,200. So hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels and note down these levels again, and be strict to the levels which was given in the video, which is given based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, now let me share the nifty options prediction for tomorrow. So once nifty 50 has crossed this level, which is of 14,600, 1, he or she can buy the strike price of 14,650 CE, and once the nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,525, 530, he or she can buy the strike price of 14,500 PE. Okay, so nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, so 14,500 PE and 14,650 CE. These are the nifty option prediction for tomorrow. Now let me share the bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow. Bank nifty options for tomorrow would be, once the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 33,486, 490, once it crosses, he or she can buy the strike price of 33,600 CE, and once the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 33,130, he or she can buy the strike price of 33,000 PE. So our bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be 33,000 PE and 33,600 CE. Okay, hope you guys noted on these levels. If you are not noted on these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels and note on these levels which was given in the video. And I request you to please stick to the levels which was given by me, because everything is based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions or hopes. I request once again repeating, don't trade on hope, don't depend on the news, follow the technicals and you will be in profit. Okay, thank you. Thanks for understanding. I'm not pointing anyone here. So profit and loss is common for every trader. So I always urge you not to depend on any assumptions or any news. Just follow the technicals. Okay, that's it. Thanks for understanding. See you tomorrow with new analysis for under a bank nifty or nifty. If you want to learn the technical analysis on which basis I am giving these levels, if you want to learn, just let me know in the comment section. I'll come back to you. Thank you. Bye. See you.